Biketoberfest is officially over for us. We've been here how many days? 4 days before it and a week after here at Orlando, enjoying Orlando. And we're supposed to be going out to New Orleans to pick up patches and bubbles and then head out to Texas. But we found out about Thunder Beach Rally, so we're going there for 3 days in Panama City, Florida. See you guys at Thunder Beach.
Oh boy, something not going right today. Bad boy, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boy, what you gonna do?
All right, we at Thunder Beach, Panama City. Just enjoyed a beautiful rally at Daytona Biketoberfest, and we found out this was going on the next week. So instead of rolling straight to Texas, we decided to come here and enjoy this rally and see what this one's about. All right, look. So our room is toward the end down here, baby. And this is where we walk out to. We might have to book another night. We got 2 nights, we might have to book a 3rd night. Y'all know we water rats. Love everything about the water. And that look nice over there. The beach, y'all. Okay, kind of a standard room. Let me turn it around so you can see it. 2 beds. I thought we were supposed to have a kitchenette. How we gonna, oh snap, we do.
Come on now.
Oh snap. We gonna have some cooking going on. No, you're not. You know we're gonna be eating out tonight. Talk about some cooking. Oh, it look dark in here. My shades on.
Right.
So Kate can go stand back by the bike because she don't know Slappy rode his F6B in today. Because she told him, when you go get an F6B some love? What's up, brother? Once again, from one rally to another.
Kate done peer pressure me. She said I got to ride my L6B out there.
Give it some place.
But you can talk about any bike you want, but you don't want to go up against that right there. That right there, that's dangerous right there, boy. That's a monster. Y'all better ask somebody. Oh man. Look at that. That is sweet. Ooh, look at that seat. Ooh, look at that seat. Cake.
I bought all that like that.
You bought this like this?
Yep, everything on it except the lights.
All right. Enter here. I'm assuming it's the main event. Like I say, this is our first time here. So it look like they got a lot of spots for bike parking. Big hole on the left, baby. And let's go see what's down here. Oh, they got some things where they showing before and after. Dynamic interiors. I know Slappy trying to get his cooler done. Yeah, he looking to get a new cover for his cooler that he got carry on the back, and hopefully they're gonna hook him up. Look at all the seat covers. And I need a new seat too. Shoot, you never know.
No, you don't. You got one coming.
Oh, that's right. We get home. That's right. It busted me out.
I'm always
Uh-huh.
talking about she's spending money. Ooh, look at that one, baby. Look at that.
I'm looking at these bikes. Wow.
So I think we're about to go out and park out in a parking
Look
lot
at
out
that
there.
bike right there.
Ooh, that one.
He stopped right in front of me, looked back and stood there.
Now watch this.
So I'm gonna teach you that one day.
What's that? What he do?
Just stood out
Watch
in
this
front of me.
You saw what just happened with him?
He looked like Skip.
He had his head turned. And see, that's why you gotta learn those close skills. That dude could have scared me. I could hit that front brake, or I could have ran into him. You know, you just gotta do it, baby. You gotta do it. Look at that.
Look at that. Wow, I can just see our grands now.
Yeah, we need to get
Not
them
just
out
the
here.
grands, the kids too, the grown adults.
I know, they'll love it. We're talking to people in Daytona, and they was asking us, you guys going to Thunder Beach? Like, Thunder Beach? Man, what are you talking about? When is that? Oh, that's next week. Now, today is next week, and this is how we live, and we are here now. We only spend 2 days, but our room make us want to get a third day. Yeah, baby. Live music, what they got going right? Salty Ghost Saloon, oh yeah. You know, we like live music, even though sometimes they might not be playing our genre, you still can enjoy it because of the musicianship. And if it got a nice beat to it, oh, we all in. We are all in.
Oh, it's not too loud and
Right.
all distorted. We all right.
Yeah. Cause we more of a R&B, old school blues, R&B, and a little country too. Only a little country.
Throw some jazz. Throw some jazz.
Oh,
in there.
big time jazz. All type of jazz.
Rich over there, up there pointing at the sun. We're gonna have the beautiful sunset in a couple of hours or so from our room. So we get the view from the room of the sunset.
We made it to the fairgrounds. And look at all the bikes, hundreds of bikes out there. Might be thousands, I don't know. Like I said, it's kicking our first time here. We enjoy, we might book for next year. If we don't, then hey, it is what it is. V10 Cycle Shop, we not V-Twin, so that leaves us out. But it doesn't matter, it's all about the camaraderie. And look like he's still looking for what he's looking for. Can't stay in this lane because of the fire lane. All right, we are back. Kicking out, about to get our oil changed and our bike detail free. And she obviously like her job. You on camera. After, I think I said it already, after we get our oil change, get our bikes detail free. So we get our oil change first because that's gonna be quicker than waiting on a bike detail. Thank you. And we finally switching to AMSOIL this year because of Slappy Video. We always knew about AMSOIL and how good it is. And the only complaint I've heard people say is the expense of it. But when we saw that Harley Davidson running full all day and being cool, oh, we was convinced I'm just gonna pay the money. And not to mention we actually having somebody else do it because we normally change our own oil kit. We at AMSOIL Adams. Can't go and get the paperwork done. About to get our oil change. Slap dog over there. All the stuff going on, look around. Thinking about getting a Clockworks windshield. Okay, so we getting our
final drive and I'll get both of them done. Knock it out one shot. It's here. Might as well go down and get it. Be broke when I get home, but I don't care. Oh, you know what? I'm not getting till I get my new stickers because I got my stickers here. So I got to get my new stickers before I get a new windshield because there's no way I can take those off and put it on a new windshield. But we all looking good. We looking good. We looking good.
Wanting to do today. Are you going to do just the engine, or do they have the Goldwings have the
You can do the lunch or the final drive as well.
the final drive? You guys want to do just the engine, or the engine and the final drive?
You can do both of them.
Both.
Shift differential. Like that is totally nowhere even.
Okay, I'm going down here where the action is. See, we love live bands, and they setting up right now. Look like the sound lady is setting up. You know, we had our DJ company for over 30, well, actually 28 years. We ain't make it to 30. And so I know about sound systems, and I see the sound lady setting up. Soft rock. This music makes me thirsty. Okay, soft rock. Thunder Beach, got progressive. That's what I was looking for, some new shocks. And if progressive shocks would have been out here, I'll purchase some new shocks. But that is the, what you call them? Insurance company. So we actually already had progressive, so we need to purchase it. Depending on what's going on today, we might be back out here. So when they actually playing the music, got the food out here, you can just get a table and eat. Get out the way. Gotta go back over to my bike. They said it's gonna be about 40 minutes changing oil. We get the oil and the final drive fluid changed also. Out here pretty early, so not a lot of people out here. It's a good time to come out here and shop when a lot of people not in your way. But we out here with Slappy's Adventures again. He actually got a room at the hotel we were staying at, or motel, whatever it is. Because we was like, okay, let's see, can we get a room? And while we were in Orlando, Cake wound up getting us a room. We checked in, we liked it so much. I said, Cake, we need another night. So we here for 3 nights. 4 days, 3 nights, instead of just 2. And loved it. Mostly because of the beach. I mean, we like to rally, but we're not really rally type motorcyclists. I think we're starting to be. Oh, there's a Cake over there. What you see, baby? She must not have a mic on. She looking at leathers. Well, we're talking about getting a new vest also, so we could take some of the patches off our old vest and then get patches from rallies that we attend. Put them on. What you saw?
Nothing. I went to look at the vest.
No good sizes or no good vests, or how much it costs about? Ish.
$40.
Oh, that's not bad. Not bad at all.
They had this one with the